Yeah, so for the second video, we had to talk about one of the statements that was false and say why it was false and tell you what should be true about it. So the one I did was the magnetic field one. So what it said was, we can tell that we're going to have a magnetic field reversal because it dropped 90 degrees, which, I mean, said that's the best way that we know, which is not. So this is not the best indicator because magnetic field reversal intensity is always fluctuating. It could drop 2 and then go up some and then drop a little bit here and there. Like, it goes up and down all the time. It's always fluctuating. Just because intensity drops a certain amount, this does not mean we're going through a reversal technically. I mean, it could be an indication, but it's not the best indication because we don't know. It's not always it dropped it, we're going to have a magnetic field reversal. So the best way to indicate this is looking at the geological records. The geological record, the Earth's magnetic field has undergone numerous reversals of polarity. We can see this in the magnetic patterns found in volcanic rocks, especially those recovered from the ocean floor. So in the last 10 million years, we've been on average of 4 to 5 reversals per year. So technically, we can't get a straight answer when we're exactly going to have a new one. I mean, they can just best guess by looking at volcanic records, and it's really hard to know exactly when we're going to have another one. So the best way of indication is looking at the geological records of rocks and volcanic rocks, and especially those recovered from ocean floors. So thanks for watching.